Hey there, future PNG tubers! Have you ever wanted to create awesome content like your favorite PNG tubers, but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a PNG tuber in less than 3 minutes. The first thing you'll need is a graphics pack with PNGTuber elements. You can find a fantastic selection of PNGTuber graphics packs on our website, chetsamoka.com. These packs will make your PNGTuber journey a breeze. Next, once you've chosen your favorite graphics pack, it's time to download and install the essential tool for PNG tubing, VidoTube. You can find the download link in the description below. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll have VidoTube up and running in no time. Now comes the fun part. Let's start creating your unique PNGTuber look. I'll guide you through the process so you can follow along. Take a look at the screen as I show you how to add these cool graphics to your videos, just like I do. Now, I'll show you how to add a PNG tuber to the scene in OBS. We add game capture as the source and select the VidoTube window. Next, right-click on the source and choose the filter options. Add the chroma key filter and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. You've just become a PNG tuber in less than 3 minutes. It's that easy. But wait, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our fantastic PNG tubing tutorials and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.